Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Izzati binti Muhammad Rizal, matric number I181028112. Today I will talk about Chapter 10, E-commerce, Digital Markets, Digital Goods, Subtopics 10.4, How has e-commerce affected business-to-business transactions? In this subtopic, we have two main points, which is electronic data interchange (EDI) and new ways of B2B buying and selling. Back to electronic data interchange (EDPI). EDPI enables the computer-to-computer exchange between two organizations of standard transactions such as invoice, bills, of lending, shipment schedules, or purchases order. Transactions are automatically transmitted from one information system to another through a network, eliminating and printing and handling of paper at one end and the inputting of data at the other. EDI originally automated the exchange of documents such as a purchase orders, invoice, and shipping notice. Although many companies still use EDI for document automation, firms engage in just-in-time inventory replenishment and continuous production use EDI as a system for continuous replenishment. Now we go to new ways of B2B buying and selling. B2B e-commerce refers to the commercial transaction that occur among businesses firms. The internet and web technology enable businesses to create electronic storefronts for selling to other businesses using the same technique as used for B2B commerce. Private industrial networks. Private industrial network typically consists of a large firm using a secure website to link to its suppliers and other key business partners. Another term for a private industrial network is private exchange. The buyer owns the network and it permits the firm and designated supplier, distributor, and other business partners to share product design and development, marketing, production scheduling, inventory management, and unstructured communication, including graphic and email. Net marketplaces. Net marketplaces, which are sometimes called e-hubs, provide a single digital marketplace based on internet technology for many buyers and sellers. There are many types of net marketplaces and ways of classifying them. Some sell direct goods and some sell indirect goods. Direct goods are goods used in a production process such as sheet steel for auto body production, and for indirect goods are all other goods not directly involved in the production process such as office suppliers or products of maintenance and repair. Last one is exchanges. Exchanges are independently owned third-party net marketplaces that connect thousands of suppliers and buyers for spot purchasing. Many exchanges provide vertical markets for a single industry such as food, electronics, or industrial equipment, and they primarily deal with direct inputs. That's all for today. Thank you.